Understanding licensing agreements, a beginner's guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important topic that touches many areas of our lives, especially in the digital age: licensing agreements. Whether you're downloading a new app, using software, or even listening to music online, you're often agreeing to a licensing agreement. But what exactly does this mean? Let's break it down together, ensuring you have a clear understanding by the end of this video. A licensing agreement is a legal contract between two parties, known as the licensor and the licensee. The licensor owns certain rights, like copyrights to a book, patents for an invention, or trademarks for brand names, and gives the licensee permission to use these rights under specific conditions. It's like borrowing something with rules you need to follow. These agreements are crucial because they protect intellectual property, ensuring creators get credit and compensation for their work. In every licensing agreement, there are several important elements you'll find. Permissions granted. This details what the licensee is allowed to do with the intellectual property, such as making and selling products based on a patent. Financial terms. It outlines how much the licensee needs to pay the licensor. This could be a one-time payment, ongoing royalties, or both. Duration. This specifies how long the agreement lasts. After it expires, the licensee must stop using the intellectual property. Territory. This indicates where geographically the licensee can use the intellectual property. It might be limited to certain countries or worldwide. Restrictions. These are the limits on how the intellectual property can be used. For example, a software license might prohibit the licensee from modifying the software. Licensing agreements are not just legal formalities, they play a key role in business and creativity. For creators and inventors, they offer a way to earn money from their creations while still retaining ownership. For businesses and consumers, they provide legal access to use, sell, or enjoy someone else's creative work or invention. Understanding these agreements helps ensure you're using content legally and ethically, respecting the rights of creators and inventors. That's a wrap on our exploration of licensing agreements. Remember, whenever you click "I agree" on a software installation or use a creative work, you're likely entering into a licensing agreement. By understanding what these agreements entail, you're more informed about your rights and obligations, making smarter decisions in both personal and professional contexts. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has shed some light on the complex but fascinating world of licensing agreements. See you in the next video. This structured approach should make the concept of licensing agreements accessible and engaging for English language learners, providing them with the essential information they need to understand and navigate these common legal documents.